welcome back to Floor Plan Friday, where this month we're going to focus on the Crestview design, the plan of the month for October. The Crestview is 1,096 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is one of my favorite one-story designs. It's extremely quaint and cozy. If you're looking to downsize, scale some of your square footage down, if you are wanting to be a minimalist and you're looking to cut square footage and get a design that's extremely efficient, the Crestview is that design. We'll take a look at the floor plan, and you can see that it's got a large open great room area with a living room, kitchen, and dining room combination. In this particular area, we design in an open beam timber roof system with a vaulted ceiling. So you would have exposed beams, tongue and groove in this area with vaulted ceilings. You've got a good size, adequate fireplace in the living room, lots of windows for your view. And then over in this section, you've got 2 bedrooms, spacious master bath with a private master, spacious master bedroom with a private master bath. And then you've got a good sized guest bedroom with its own private bath as well. So again, if you're looking to find a design that's got efficient square footage that you can downsize, this is a really good design. You've got 2 cozy porches on the front and the back of this design, one off the dining room and kitchen, and then one off your front entry. You also have the ability to modify this floor plan if you need to add square footage or increase the footprint some. You have the ability to do that. If you haven't already checked out the 3D tour, the exterior virtual tour of this particular design, go to our website at www.stonemill.com and go to the Crestview design. Here you can see the elevations, and we'll take a look at the elevation. This is drawn in our 6x12 dovetailed chinked log profile. You can also do the log on log profile in this particular design. We've got log walls for the perimeter, and then in the gable ends, we're showing a wavy lap siding, which is a really good look, really rustic look. We're showing a stone finish on the foundation walls and on the fireplace. But if you wanted to change this to a log veneer siding, that is certainly an option. Here's a picture of a house we built, a Crestview we built over in North Carolina that did log veneer siding up in the gable ends so that you get that continuous log look up in the gables. We'll spin around the elevation. Here's the living room gable end, fireplace inside the living room. And then as we work our way around the back side, you can see the window out of the kitchen and the dining room, and then the dining room door going out to that cozy back porch. Then you've got your bedroom wing, which has the double windows on the front and back, and then the single windows on the side. We're showing an architectural shingle roof for this particular design, but if you wanted to go with a metal roof, that is certainly an option as well. So check out this design. It's a great, very efficient, cozy, and quaint design. Check out all of our other designs on our site as well. And just feel free to call our sales department if you have any questions about any of our designs. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining us for Floor Plan Friday. We look forward to you joining us next month for more. Until then, stay safe and healthy and take care.